Welcome fellow traders. I have received comments about my Micro Martingale EA that this EA is not opening any trade. The main reason is spread. If spread is high, then this EA will not open any trade. I am using Exness demo account and this account has high spread. When there is high spread, the EA has loss, and in the same time the IC market has low spread. Therefore, the trades in IC market opened by Micro Martingale EA are closed in profit. Therefore, make sure that the spread is low. If the spread is high, then this EA is not working and all trades are closed in loss. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.